Hello everyone. I am Charles. I am the host of this program. Thanks for listening to today's podcast. Hey, are you looking for your nearby professionals to fix the cracked screen of your laptop? Do you want to get a quick solution from the experts? The trained experts of iTech Xpress are ready to provide you fast, comprehensive services. The company stocks full required parts to make their repair job faster. So, it is sure you will get high-caliber service and quality parts from them. The certified experts of this company not only provide the screen repairing service but also offer full computer repair services too. Do you want to know more about their service? Visit https://itechexpressinc.com to get more information in detail. To clear any doubts that you have, you can call the experts at 626-777-4747 without any hesitation. Goodbye everyone for today. Stay tuned with us.